Hi guys, Will here, you're watching Young Success, and today we're going to be focusing on how you can succeed in your business. With statistics like 51% of all startups failing within the first year. The first year, guys, this can be staggering for any young entrepreneurs trying to get into the game. I mean, I'm talking like 14 to 20 years old, that it's like our percentages are even lower. 16% of us make it. That sucks. So I'm focusing on some key aspects today on what you can do differently than, 80% of everyone else in the rat race trying to make it to be an entrepreneur. It's becoming more popular and it's making the failure rate bigger and the success rate a little bit lower. So it kind of sucks, but we're gonna focus on how you can win in 2018, 2019. Today, I'm gonna be giving you 5 tips for how to be successful in business and not fail like the rest of the 51% that we were talking about. But stick around till the end because the last tip is definitely the best. Tip number 5 is don't let other people dictate your success. What I mean by this is don't look for views, don't look for likes. Be building your brand for something bigger than other people. Tip number 4 is gonna be don't look for the money. People who look for the money don't ever get as successful as the people who just build a brand because they love it. Build the brand because you love it, other people love it, and you'll make money. That's how it works. It's just as simple as that. You build a brand, people love it, they pay you for your brand. You cannot build a brand for money because it seems like a scam. No one likes you. It's horrible. Your product is not thought out. You didn't spend any time on it. This is what gets me about drop shipping and stuff. Drop shipping, great. You can make money, good job. Think about it first. Think about what you're providing the customer. Don't sell shit, okay? Don't sell shit. You're not gonna make it overnight. Building a business takes a long time, and that's why people don't succeed within their first year, because they're looking like right here. You need to be looking like right here, way the hell over here, next year, the next year. What am I gonna do the next year? What am I gonna do when I start getting clientele? Stuff like that. So focus on building your brand, don't focus on the money, because you're not gonna succeed if you do. Tip number 3, post your ass off on social media. I want you covering all the bases. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube. These are huge and you need to be posting every single day. Now, I don't agree with what Gary Vee says. Don't post 4 pieces, 5 pieces of content on every single platform every day. You're gonna tire your audience and it's gonna affect your reach. So maybe 2 posts a day is about max, I would say. Twitter, go all ham on that. Post like frickin' 1 million tweets a day. I don't care. Twitter is like that. Instagram, you gotta be more tactical and work on your design. Don't just post shit, okay? Tip number 2. Now this is an evaluation tip. If you have time to go to parties, if you have time to go hang out with your friends, if you have time to sit and have a drink after work, there's someone working harder than you. There's always someone working harder than you. Become the hardest working motherfucker in your niche, okay? Become just a beast, bro. Like, go to sleep at 10 o'clock, wake up at 5 o'clock, keep on grinding. I mean, if you want this bad enough, you're gonna fight for it like you're gonna fight for air, okay? Just focus on your brand, block everyone else out, and you need to be just working your ass off. If you want this, you're gonna work harder than everyone else. And that's just what you have to do to succeed in 2018, 2019, and beyond. It's gonna get harder. You keep working harder and harder and harder. You just gotta keep on pounding it out, putting out content, putting out your brand, building the word around it, You have to be working harder than everyone else. Tip number 1, and this is the biggest one, so listen closely. Don't get discouraged. Getting discouraged is the worst thing you can possibly do. A year is not that much. If you hear people talk about their success, they are successful within the next 5 years. They're making like $200,000 in their business. Being realistic and setting goals is the only way you're gonna make it. Because if you don't set things into perspective, you're gonna fail. And this has happened to me, this has happened to countless other people. You think you're gonna be here, but you're actually here because you didn't set realistic goals. So you need to be thinking about your future and what goals you wanna hit within that year or 2 years, 3 years down the road. Don't expect, there's a whole bunch of YouTube gurus on the internet talking about they're making $500,000 a month. No, that's bullshit. Their first month they made $500,000. That's bullshit. Like, even people who say, I made $1,000 my first month of my own company, that's realistic, kind of. But it's probably not gonna happen to you. You're probably gonna make fucking $0, and you're gonna be pissed. You're gonna be like, this is my first month. I should be making $2,000. I should be making $1,000. What's going on? And you're gonna fail because you're gonna see that you're not succeeding, and you are gonna get fed up with the process of actually building a brand, actually building a business. You need to set realistic goals. Maybe your realistic goal is $1,000 a month. Probably don't make it your first month, because your first month, it's a bitch. So focus on your goals, keep realistic values, and I'll see you tomorrow. I hope this video helped. Bye.